Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover your lost social media accounts fast. So everyone knows that in social media platform, mostly common are Facebook, Instagram or Snapchat. So how you will recover it? If you just forgot your password on this account, so simply just tap on this website and simply just finding the forgotten password. So just tap on it simply, and if you just forgot your password, so you will just remember your email address or mobile number, so both of one you will be just enter on it and just tap on the search, and in the next you will be just find to the reset option, and when you just tap on the reset option and you will be go in your inbox of your connected email, and you will be able to see the from the Facebook email and reset or link option, and you will be just simply reset your password and when you just logged in, and you will be recover your lost social media accounts. So as it in Snapchat or Instagram, if you just forgot your password, simply just tap on it forgot, and you will be as it I will just previous show you the options. As it you will be just recover your account. And also Snapchat, you will be just talk on the spot that you will be just lost your account or the password of this account, so it will be just help you easily right over here. So in this way you will just have to recover your lost social media accounts fast. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.